Hello, my name is Eric White, and we're going to talk about artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is present in many of our technological forms today. Pattern recognition, be it fingerprints, iris scanning, facial recognition. AI is responsible for making those minute choices to compare fingerprints, basically your basic security route of things. AI can also be found in unmanned aircraft. I've even heard that they were going to institute it in trains. So you wouldn't need a conductor anymore. You just sort of fly by the seat of the computer. AI also can help in guiding surgeons' hands when doing surgery. LASIK is little more than a surgeon telling a computer to do the surgery. The future is certainly bright and maybe even a little scary as we sort of start to let go of the reins and allow machines to do a little bit more work for us. But that's AI and its possible uses.